Orlando International Airport. It's at Terminal A. Terminal A, Orlando International. We start from door 34. Door 34. We have a check-in counter here. Check-in counter. The first airline here is Southwest. Southwest, they have a drop-off luggage on the self-check-in machine in this area. And in that door there we see the oversight. Oversight luggage. Southwest. They have a special counter there too. And the regular check-in. Our check-in and self-check-in machine too. Southwest. We'll continue from check-in area for Terminal A. Terminal A. We continue here and we have Southwest, but they have a drop-off bag too and special service, priority lines on this side. Southwest. After Southwest, you have Virgin Atlantic. They have a premium service here, counters, premium, and the regular check-in on this side. Virgin Atlantic. They have a more counter here for Sky Priority, upper class, Sky Priority members. Continue. The sign tell you we have Frontier and Spirit. Check-in counter. They have a lot empty check-in counter, but they have a new terminal now, and a few airlines moved to Terminal C. Avelo. Avelo Airline. This area. After Avelo, they have you have a Frontier. Frontier, they have more counter in the front too.
May I have your attention, please? For security reasons, passengers must closely control baggage.
Frontier Airline.
Transporting items without their knowledge.
Terminal A, Orlando International Airport. In the center, you have the security checkpoint. You have a store, restaurant. The center in the terminal. Have access to the gate 1 to 59 after the security checkpoint. And this area is for Speedy Airline.
AJ Noemi Torres Silva. Noemi Torres Silva.
Only a Speedy Airline in this area.
And dial 0 for a message.
Yeah. Spirit Airline. And they have a new system here for drop-off luggage machine. Self-tap and self-drop. Spirit Airline, the last airline here. New machines for self-drop-off luggage. Nice. I see the system in Canada, but not here in the United States. Good news. Terminal 8. Passenger drop-off ramp. Between Terminal A and Terminal B, you have a restaurant, shop. You have everything. You want to eat, you want to rest, you need to wait for another flight. You have a different option here between both terminals. We have a nice rest area. We have a power outlet for connection. You have different options for food too. A power outlet there and comfortable chairs. You have layover in Orlando International Airport? Don't worry. You have food court, shops. Different. You have a lot of options for food here. Southwest Grill, McDonald's, Panda, Cinnamon, Chick-fil-A, Sbarro, Italian food, and everything. Firehouse sandwich too. food court. Remember, between Terminal A and Terminal B. Yeah, restaurant. Universal Orlando Resort store. Disney stores. If you forgot buy something, you can buy here. We have Magic of Disney store. And yeah, beautiful courtyard and the Hyatt Hotel. We have a hotel here too, and there between Terminal A and Terminal B. And beautiful courtyard. Hyatt Hotel, Terminal A, and Terminal B. Both sides. This is the arrival door, domestic arrivals. When you arrival from Terminal A, arrival, you're going down to pick up your luggage, ground transportation, taxi, right, application right, and rental cars. Terminal 8. You have to pick up your luggage here. Luggage pickup. This area. Back lane 1 to 14. Bell 1 to bell 14. When you're coming down and you left, you have a 1 to 5, and you right, you have a 6 to 14. This level is a level number 2. You had the taxi, passenger pickup, and ride application pickup. It's a level 2. Passenger pickup, taxi, and Uber, Lyft, another application ride pickup. In the level 2, when you pick up your luggage and you need a rental car or ground transportation, you can take the elevator to level 1 here, or you have a stairs. to going down to. In this level, you have the ground transportation, public bus, and the rental car counters. All rental car counters for Terminal 8. It's here in this level. You have the companies here. Enterprise, Alamo, Dollar, 50. They have logger store service here too. Cruise transfer, got port, and they have a logger, wrapping, and storage here. Very important. This level you have the ground transportation, the shuttles, all shuttles. Shuttle for Disney, for hotels, for everything, and public transportation too. Public transportation and shuttles.